I just stopped by this pawpaw patch I could see from the road that I'd seen before, but I never stopped by here to see if they get any fruits on them. Sometimes they don't. So I'm gonna take a quick look right here, see what I see. You come with me. Yep. There's some right there. Oh, nice. Oh, that's a good one. You'll have to come back here. Yeah, I said it before, but anywhere I see like a culvert underneath the road where the ditch passes through, I'll check on the banks. And there's trees all down in there. Probably some spice bush too. Yeah, this is gonna be one of the spots I stop because it's right off the road. You don't even got to get into the tree line or nothing. But I mean, I got boots and waders and what if I wanted to. Yeah, I'm not seeing any spice bush, but I'm sure it's in there. I'm gonna stop to the other one. It had berries on it last time, but they weren't ripe yet. It still might be a bit early for that. That's about it.